Dr. Abarirega yashobora ngu okukozesa embazi ey'okufuhirirwa ebihingwa etarukumanywa amakorero gayo kiresereho enjoki nyamwingi okucendera nezimwe okufa okuruga omyanya yazo. Nashobora ngu hashemerere kugira cyakorwa okubasa kurebeka ngu ebihingwa na nebikoko byabasa byona okubaho mu myaka ejina n'emyaka erukwija.
Climate smart sustainable agriculture. So this is part of agricultural production. So to me this is very, very visionary to ensure that we promote apiculture, aquaculture. That is the best way we can make use of our resources for generations to come. Now the bees are not only important for money that we get, we are supposed as a nation actually to conserve bees and multiply them.
Buri muntu yayitungira ebihumi 5 ebyenjoki buri 10 kirukugurwa empiha emitwari 15 mushiringi ya Uganda ebibasize kuba nebikorwa aba HOIMA district local government. Yashaba abantu becyanga ekyabunyoro okujwa kukirura okutunga enjoki nanokuruga ombyo kufuhirira emibazi ahanjoki ayizu kubaziri oteireho ayizu kuhangara.
District local government and commend them and call upon other districts to see what HOIMA district is doing and they learn and duplicate, because this is the sustainable way of agriculture transformation for our economy and our people.
Mukuru w'entebe ya katano habwa district ya HOIMA Uthmani Mugisa Mubaraka yagarura mwamani abagoboro mu ntebe kanseje ngu okukozesa enjoki okwitunga nekija kubahwera okurwanisa obworo n'obukene kandi babase no kwetungira esente abwo kuba obwoki n'okukundwa benji. Yagaruka kushobora ngu ebihumi ebyenjoki nibija kuhweraho na nokushohoza ebindi ebirukozesebwa omukora za kando hamwe na nebintu byingi. Bamwe ombagobora omuntebe kanseji basima HOIMA district local government abwo kubahereza ebihumebe barukushobora ngu guno mugisho muzari ogurukwija kubahwera okutera orutambwe ombyentunguka no kunogoshora empiha abwa makagabo kandi obwo baherize kureba akatare akabategerize okurugo muri ebyo biraruje omunjoki zabo.
Yakigobora munabo kwa tukubarangu umuzinga gumugudu kusaba kutukiye kilo 2 okatonda akaga kilo otulika emiliyoni 1.2 umuzinga gumu
kasita mukama ko kata kurungi ebyaba biterekereye kandi nyo winyika irundi murwero sukali ntaina mani bito bunyatandikira kurunda na nywaho mpakwire never somehow strong ati mwadwani wangu buri mu myaka yange ikuru yene.
Gasha kwa gada asaba habwa tayari West.